Hey everyone! Welcome back to HCG International Six Sigma Institute. Today, I want to share a story. A story about how a small manufacturing company struggling with high defects and low productivity turned things around using the 7QC tools. If you're in manufacturing and want to cut defects, save costs, and boost efficiency, stick around. This video might just change the way you work. Before we get into the story, let's quickly go over what the 7QC tools are and why they matter. These are simple, yet powerful techniques used to analyze and solve quality-related issues. Cause and effect diagram, also known as fishbone diagram, identifies the root cause of a problem. Check sheets help collect and analyze defect data. Control charts track variations in a process. Histograms show data distribution. Pareto chart focuses on the biggest causes of defects. Scatter diagram identifies relationships between variables. Flowcharts map out processes for better understanding. Now let's get to the real story. There was a mid-sized auto parts manufacturer facing huge rejection rates. Nearly 15% of their parts were being scrapped due to quality issues. Customers were unhappy, costs were skyrocketing, and employees were frustrated. Problem: defects in metal parts, but no one knew why they were happening. Production delays, wasted materials, and high rework costs. How the 7QC tools helped. First, they started with a cause and effect diagram, also known as a fishbone diagram. The team brainstormed possible causes. Was it raw material quality, machine wear and tear, human error? They found that improper machine calibration was a major issue. Next, check sheets were used to collect data. Operators noted down defects every shift. Patterns started emerging. Most defects occurred in one specific machine at night shifts. Then, a Pareto chart showed 80% of defects came from one process. Instead of fixing everything at once, they focused on this biggest issue first. Control charts helped them monitor improvements. After calibrating the machine and training night shift workers, defects dropped from 15% to 2% in just 3 months. The result? Lower defects equal higher profits. Better quality means happier customers. Trained employees lead to fewer mistakes, and a streamlined process results in faster production. So, if you're in manufacturing and haven't used the 7QC tools, it's time to start. Whether you run a small factory or a large-scale plant, these tools can transform your business. Want to learn how to apply these tools in your company? Join our expert-led training today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world quality improvement stories. See you in the next video.